Sum is when classes are not continuous. Classes are not. This is a single sum, not continuous. So different small different changes is there when classes are not. Only one sum is there. Sum number 3. We required 4 columns because we have to make it continuous also. They are not continuous, but we have to convert into continuous. See, classes are not continuous. Small correction also there in old book. If you have new book, then no correction. But some students having old book, then there is a correction. Speed of average speed of vehicle given. Unit given kilometer per hour. Now 60 to 64 right है. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5 and 6. And one column required for n total frequency. 60 to 64 right है. Here 65 there. 65 is the 64 printed. So make it correction 65. Then 70 74 right है. 70 75 75 and 79 right है. Then here 79 printed. It is not like that. It is 80 to 84. And here again 85 to 88. Because these classes, now look at the classes. Yes, they are not continuous. So here one column continuous class. Continuous class, and here frequency, that is number of vehicles. And here same cumulative frequency less than 2. Okay. So continuous class, to making continuous class, what is the procedure? Look at this procedure because this procedure same apply in a mode. This next exercise 6.3. So 64 and 65. Here it is called as the upper limit. This is called as the lower limit. So what is the gap between? No, not gap between these two. No? This is called a class interval. Gap between here, upper limit and lower limit. What is the gap between these two numbers? 64 and 65. Yes, gap is 1. So right here gap is equal to 1. Now divide 1 by 2. 2 is in formula. 2 is in formula. So what is 1 upon 2? 0.5. Now 0.5 is very important number. Minus this number from lower limit and add to the same upper limit. So minus 0.5 from 60 will become 59.5, like 50 paisa. So 60 rupees minus 50 paisa, 59 rupees 50 paisa. So 59.5 dash. Here add same number. 0.5 plus 64, 64.5. Then here 64.5, 69.5, 69.5, 74.5. If you once you got one, you can get all the numbers. 74.5, 79.5. Now look at the classes. Yes, they are continuous. Yes, they are continuous. See 0. How we can? I am repeating again. How we can get 0.5? Difference between upper limit, lower limit. 1. 1 divided by 2 is what? 0.5. 0.5 subtract, 0.5 add. Same procedure. Ultimately, you will get continuous class. Now, rest all same classes. Frequency 10, 34, 55, 85, 10 and 6. N add 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 2 carry 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 200. So first number as it is. Now cross zigzag. 44, 44 plus 5, 99, 99 plus 1, 85, 184, 10 addition 194 and plus 6, 200. So now first I require same n upon 2. So 200 divided by 2 is my 100. Now formula for median. So median is equal to L n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay. So L, CF, F and H are equal. Now 100 is a very important. 100 comes in between these two values. Yes, 9 equals 99 and before 180. So smaller value is known as a CF. So CF is 99 F is before in front of bigger value. So F is 85. Now forget about these classes, not take continuous classes. So lower limit is what in front of F? 74.5. And H is the class interval. Now look at here, same, everywhere same. If you take any one, 84.5 minus 79.5, 0.5 cancel. 84 minus 79 will become 5. 0.5 cancel. Everywhere it is same, 5. Now put the value. L 74.5, n upon 2 is what? 100. CF 99, frequency 85 into 5. 74.5, here 1 upon 85 into 5. 5 cancel, 17 5 is 85. So 1 upon 17. 1 upon 17, 1 here 17, so not possible. So 0.10, again not possible. So take 1 0, so take 1 0 here. 17 5 is 85. Now 15, 17 7 is 133. So 0.057. So we required up to 2 decimal. So 7, it will become 0.06. Third decimal is more than 5, that is why. So addition of this 74.56. Okay, now here what is the average speed of vehicles in kilometer per hour, na? So speed is never in a like this decimal. So speed of vehicle is, you can round figure. See, while round figure, make this number, find this number. This number is what? 50, is more than 50. So you can convert it to 75 unit kilometer per hour. Make it round figure.